So if your iPhone is not turning off and you're unable to turn off, shut down your iPhone, so here is the fix. The very first fix is you have to just force shut down your iPhone. So how to do this? You have to press the volume up button once, down button once, and then press and hold the right side key. Okay, keep it pressed, do not turn it off. Okay, and wait for a few seconds until and unless the Apple iPhone logo appears at the center of the screen. And once it appears, you have successfully forcefully restarted your iPhone. Okay, now you can turn off your phone or whatever you want with your iPhone, you can do it. So this method of forcefully restarting iPhone is very handy when it comes to iPhone frozen screen, or if iPhone is not shutting down. Now if